Alright guys, welcome to hopefully another fun unboxing. Here we go with the Aini doll head. It has finally come in and we'll do the best that we can here to open it up and see how this all works out. Try to do this as carefully as possible so you guys can see what it is all about. We had a previous version of this amazing robot and now this is the new one. So let's see what it looks like. I'm very excited to do this. Wow, can't get through there. Okay, let's try it from this angle. Goodness gracious. There we go. Yes. Finally. Can't wait to see what's in the box. So let's take her out gently and carefully. And it looks like there may be more stuff than last time. Let me check that out for a second. It looks like she comes with some extra mounting stuff, I guess, for the head here. We did not see this in the previous version, so let me just open up this bag real quick. Take a look at. And let's see. This is your typical charger that you get with the Aini doll head, and this was not available in the previous version that I got, so that's new. And this is, I would believe, a hairnet with hair in it, which is really cool. And now we will have to unbox the actual doll herself out of this very well packaged setup. So that's cool and new, and we'll take a look at that in a second as I grab some tools. But we'll make a second video for that because otherwise it gets too long. There we go. We're going to keep it at 2 minutes.